How's it going, guys? I received this package in the mail. Let's do a quick unboxing. This is, by the way, from Watchgang, Centum tier membership. I used half of the cost using my points. So let's take a look. So it says 1919 100 year anniversary, and it says Milus. Don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Milus. And there's a pouch inside, and there's a sizing tool included, a warranty card, and the watch itself. There's an extra tote bag, but I didn't show it here on this video, but there's an extra tote bag. So there's the watch. I mean, some assembly required. It's not connected to the bracelet. That's the watch. Milus instant date Snow Star automatic. It's using a 2892A2 top caliber movement. That's one grade away to COSC. 100-meter water resistance. Milus Snow Star engraved. Swissmade. Sign crown. Silver dial. 40 mil in diameter. 47.7 mil lug to lug, and 20 mil lug width, and has thickness of 9.45. So it has a sunburst dial, silver sunburst dial. Good looking watch. You can use it for day to day and dress watch, no problems. Can fit under the cuff. It's, by the way, using 904L steel, which is being used by Rolex. So that's pretty nice. Including the bracelet, it uses the 904L steel, stainless steel. The bracelet here is brushed on the sides, polished on the center link. Butterfly clasp, 904L. It says there on the clasp. It has the logo, the Hermes logo, and signed clasp. Sarah says Milus 1919 on the clasp as well. So easy to release once you use the bracelet. But I don't think I'm gonna use the bracelet for this one because I already have a lot of silver dialed watches on bracelet, so I'll use a strap here. I'll just keep the 904L bracelet safely in that pouch there. Alright, so let me just put a different strap. So I saw a blue alligator strap lying around, so I just used that. As you can see, it looks good. Thin, it's very thin. Sunburst dial plays with the light. Has AR coating underneath. What else? Applied indices. Has a red date on the 3 o'clock. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. Thank you.